Hello friends, last we complete exercise 9.5. Now here we discuss about linear differential equation and its solution. Remember this here, if differential equation in form of dy dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are constant function or function of x only, then given differential equation is called linear differential equation, or in form of dx dy, here given dy dx, here we take dx dy plus px is equal to q. In this type of differential equation, p and q are constant function or p and q are function of y. Here p and q are function of x, or both are constant. Then this differential equation is called linear differential equation. Now think how to get solution of this differential equation, linear differential equation. If dy dx plus py is equal to q, this type of linear differential equation given, then first we find integrand factor, that is integrating factor if. Remember this integrating factor if is equal to e raised to integration p dx. Here p and q we take function of x, so integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration p dx. Clear? Now multiplying by this integrating factor if on both sides, we get e raised to integration p dx into dy dx plus p into e raised to integration p dx into y is equal to q into e raised to integration p dx. Here remember this is the derivative of e raised to integration p dx into y, and is equal to q into e raised to integration p dx. Now apply integration on both sides. Here we get a solution e raised to integration p dx into y is equal to integration q e raised to integration p dx plus integrand constant c. Here e raised to integration p dx is if. So remember this is a solution of this linear differential equation. If these terms into y, clear, is equal to integration q into this if dx plus c. Clear? Similarly, in this type of linear differential equation given, then first find the integrating factor if is equal to e raised to integration p. Here p and q are function of y, so take here dy, that is get a integration of p with respect to y. Multiplying both sides by if and change into this form, solution becomes here x given, so x into integrating factor if is equal to integration here q into integrand factor, that is integrating factor dx. Clear? Here p and q are function of y, so write a dy. Okay, plus integrand constant c. Clear? Now here we solve some question of exercise 9.6. First question, for each of the differential equation given in exercise 1 to 12, find general solution. Question number 1, dy dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. We know that this is a form of dy dx plus py is equal to q. Here p is equal to 2 and q is equal to sin x. So this is a linear differential equation. Is linear differential equation. Differential equation. Here p is equal to 2, constant. Q is equal to sin x. Now find integrating factor if. We know that integrating factor if is equal to e raised to integration p. Here p is a constant terms. In this case here we get integration with respect to x. So integration p dx. So is equal to e raised to integration 2 dx. So is equal to e raised to here 2 integration of 1 with respect to x is equal to x. So solution becomes, that is a solution, general solution, y into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus a c. So is equal to if integrand factor y into e raised to 2x integration q, here q is equal to sin x, integrating factor e raised to 2x dx plus a c. Clear? Now get integration of this separately. Say I, let I is equal to integration sin x into e raised to 2x dx. Here we know that to get integration of u into v dx, we apply this law. Integration u v dx is equal to integration by part u integration v dx minus integration d dx of u integration v dx whole dx. You know that. Here for this we apply this law, Liet's, L-I-A-T-E. Here trigo function sin x come first, so select for u, and e raised to 2x exponential come second, so select for a v. So is equal to, here apply this law, u, that is sin x, integration v dx, v is equal to e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x dx minus integration d dx of u, that is sin x, integration e raised to 2x dx whole dx. Clear? So is equal to sin x integration of e raised to 2x is equal to e raised to 2x upon divide by coefficient of x 2 minus integration derivative of sin x is a cos x, integration of this is equal to e raised to 2x upon 2 dx. So is equal to e raised to 2x upon 2 sin x minus, apply second time here, 1 by 2 integration by part. Here cos x integration e raised to 2x dx minus integration derivative of cos x integration e raised to 2x dx whole dx. So is equal to e raised to 2x upon 2 into sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x integration of this is equal to e raised to 2x upon 2 minus derivative of cos x is a minus sin x, so minus minus plus cos sin x right here plus sin x into integration of this is equal to e raised to 2x upon 2 dx. Clear? Now simplify this. So this becomes e raised to 2x upon 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 take inside, so becomes minus 1 by 4 cos x into e raised to 2x. Okay, here minus plus becomes minus 1 by 2 into this here sin x e raised to 2x upon a 2. So this become minus 1 upon 4 integration sin x into e raised to 2x dx. But this integration is equal to, we know that I, sin x e raised to 2x dx is equal to I. So replace this term by I. Here we get e raised to 2x upon 2 sin x minus 1 upon 4 cos x into e raised to 2x minus 1 upon 4 into I. Minus 1 upon 4 I take this side, that is a left side. Here we get I plus 1 upon 4 I is equal to, here e raised to 2x with 1 upon 4 take common, so 1 upon 4 e raised to 2x take common, so in bracket remaining terms becomes here 2 sin x minus cos x. Clear? Now simplification, 4 take LCM, so here we get 5i upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 e raised to 2x into 2 sin x minus cos x. Clear? 4 cancel, 5 take this side, so I is equal to become e raised to 2x upon 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x. Okay, now replace this, this is a y into e raised to 2x is equal to integration sin x into e raised to 2x dx plus c. In place of this integration, put this result. So solution becomes y into e raised to 2x is equal to e raised to 2x upon 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. Clear? Solution. Sometime you found this type of solution, dividing by e raised to 2x, we get y is equal to 1 upon 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c upon e raised to 2x is equal to c into e raised to minus 2x. Clear? This is also final answer. General solution. This is also general solution. Remember this. Now question number 2. Find the general solution of dy dx plus 3y is equal to e raised to minus 2x. Here dy dx plus 3y is equal to e raised to minus 2x is a linear differential equation. Here p is equal to 3 is a constant function and q is equal to e raised to minus 2x is a function of x. So first find integrating factor if is equal to e raised to integration p dx is equal to e raised to integration 3 dx. So is equal to e raised to 3 into integration of 1 with respect to x is a x. Therefore, solution becomes y into if is equal to integration q, that is e raised to minus 2x, into if e raised to 3x dx plus a c. Clear? Now we know that e raised to minus 2x into e raised to 3x is equal to e raised to 3x minus 2x becomes e raised to x dx plus a c, and integration of this is equal to e raised to x plus a c. So y into e raised to 3x is equal to e raised to x plus c becomes solution. Clear? Or y is equal to, dividing by e raised to 3x, we get e raised to minus 2x plus e raised c into e raised to minus 3x becomes solution. Clear? Or y is equal to e raised to x upon e raised to 3x become e raised to minus 2x plus c into e raised to minus 3x. Okay? Now next, question number 3. Find the solution of dy dx plus y upon x is equal to x square. Here dy dx given, so p is equal to 1 upon x, q is equal to x square. This is a linear differential equation. Here p is equal to 1 upon x, function of x, and q is equal to x square, function of x. Find integrating factor if. We know that if is equal to e raised to integration p dx. So is equal to e raised to integration 1 upon x dx. So is equal to e raised to integration of 1 upon x. We know that log mod x, and e raised to log x base e is equal to x. Therefore, solution becomes y into if, that is x, is equal to integration q, that is x square, into if is equal to x dx plus a c. So is equal to integration x raised to 3 dx plus a c. Therefore, x into y is equal to, here integration of x raised to 3 is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 plus a c. Dividing by x, we get y is equal to x raised to 3 upon 4 plus c into x raised to minus 1. This becomes a solution. Clear? Or this is also general solution. Now question number 4. Find the solution of dy dx plus sec x into y is equal to 10x. Condition given, x lies between 0 to pi by 2, that is x in a first quadrants. Here dy dx plus sec x into y is equal to 10x given. So this is a linear differential equation. Here p is equal to sec x. Here p is equal to sec x and q is equal to 10x. Clear? Now find the integrating factor e raised to integration p dx is equal to e raised to integration sec x dx. So in e raised to integration of sec x is equal to, we know that, log mod sec x plus 10x. Okay, and this is equal to sec x plus 10x. Now multiplying by this to both sides, get a general solution. if into y is equal to integration q into if dx plus c. Here integrating factor sec x plus 10x into y is equal to integration q is equal to 10x into sec x plus 10x dx. So y into sec x plus 10x is equal to 10 take inside, we get integration sec x into 10x apply dx. Here 10x into 10x become tan square x. Tan square change into sec form, we get sec square x minus 1 dx. So is equal to integration of sec x into 10x is equal to, we know that, sec x plus integration of sec square x is equal to 10x minus integration of 1 is equal to x plus integrand constant c. Clear? So this becomes solution of a given differential equation. Now question number 5. Find the general solution of cos square x dy dx plus y is equal to 10x. Condition given, 0 less than or equal to x less than pi by 2, that is x lies in a first quadrants. Here first separate dy dx terms, that is a sec cos square x, remove these terms dividing by cos square. Here we get dy dx plus 1 upon cos square, that is sec square x into y is equal to, here 10x into 1 upon cos square, that is sec square x. Clear? dy dx plus sec square x into y is equal to 10x into sec square x. Here this is a p and this is a q. This is a linear differential equation. Here p is equal to sec square x and q is equal to sec square x into 10x or 10x into sec square x. First find integrating factor if is equal to e raised to integration p dx, that is a sec square x dx, and integration of sec square x is equal to, we know that, 10x. So e raised to 10x. Therefore solution becomes, we know that integrating factor e raised to 10x into y. Here y is equal to integration q, here q is equal to this 10x sec square x into if, that is e raised to 10x dx plus c. Now here suppose 10x is equal to t. Let 10x is equal to t. This implies sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this solution becomes e raised to 10x into y is equal to, here 10x is equal to t into e raised to 10x, that is e raised to t sec square x dx is equal to dt plus a c. So is equal to, now find integration of this by integration by part. Here t integration e raised to t dt minus integration derivative of t with respect to t integration e raised to t dt whole dt, clear, plus c given. So t e raised to t minus integration derivative of t is a 1 into integration of this is equal to e raised to t dt plus c. So is equal to t e raised to t minus integration of this is equal to e raised to t plus c. Now replace t by 10x. We get the 10x into e raised to 10x minus e raised to 10x plus a c. So e raised to 10x into y is equal to this. Here e raised to 10x into y. Now dividing by e raised to 10x both sides, we get y is equal to, here 10x minus 1 plus c upon e raised to 10x become c into e raised to minus 10x. Clear? This becomes solution. Okay. Now question number 6. Find the general solution of x into dy dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x. First divide by x. Here we get dy dx plus 2 upon x into y is equal to x square upon x, that is x log x. This is the linear differential equation. Here p is equal to 2 upon x and q is equal to this. Here p is equal to 2 upon x and q is equal to x log x. Now find the integrating factor. E raised to integration 2 upon x dx is equal to e raised to 2 integration of 1 upon x is a log mod x. So is equal to e raised to log x square is equal to x square. Now solution becomes, solution is a integrating factor if into y is equal to integrating factor into q. Here q is equal to x log x dx, clear, plus c. Therefore x square y is equal to, simplify this, integration x raised to 3 log x dx plus c. Here apply integration by part. LIATE, logarithm function, log function come first. So select for a u. and algebraic function come second. So select for a v. So u, that is log x, integration v, that is x raised to 3 dx, minus integration d dx of log x, integration x raised to 3 dx whole dx. So is equal to log x into integration of this is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 minus integration derivative of this is equal to 1 upon x into integration of this is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 dx. Clear? Plus c. Here plus c. So is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 log x minus 1 upon 4 take outside, integration x raised to 4 upon x raised to 1, that is x raised to 3 dx plus c. So is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 log x minus 1 upon 4, integration of this is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 plus c. So is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 log x minus x raised to 4 upon 4 16 plus c. Now dividing by x square, we get y is equal to x raised to 4 upon x square, that is x square upon 4 log x minus here x square upon 16 plus c into x raised to minus 2. Clear? Answer. Here 16 also take LCM. So here we get 4x square log x minus x square bracket over into 1 upon 16 plus c x raised to minus 2. This is also final answer. Clear? This is correct answer. Sometime you found this type of answer, y is equal to x square upon 16, take common. So here we get 4 log x minus 1 plus c into x raised to minus 2. Clear? Now question number next 7. X log x dy dx plus y is equal to 2 upon x log x. Here x log x dy dx plus y is equal to 2 upon x log x given. First separate dy dx. For this dividing by x log x to both sides, we get dy dx plus 1 upon x log x into y is equal to here 2 log x upon x log x into x, that is x into x log x. Now simplify this, we get dy dx plus 1 upon x log x into y is equal to here log x from numerator denominator cancel, we get 2 upon x square. Here p is equal to 1 upon x log x, 1 upon x log x, and q is equal to 2 upon x square. So integrating factor if is equal to e raised to integration 1 upon x log x dx. We know that integration of this is equal to here 1 upon x is the derivative of log x. So we know that f dash x upon fx, then integration of this is equal to log mod fx, we know. Clear? Here 1 upon x upon log x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, that is we get f dash x upon fx. So integration of this is equal to e raised to log mod log x. Clear? So is equal to log x. Now solution becomes y into if is equal to log x is equal to integration q. Here q is equal to 2 upon x square into if is equal to log x dx. Clear? Now to take outside, so we get y log x is equal to 2 into integration 1 upon x square, that is x raised to minus 2 log x dx. So is equal to plus c. Here 2 integration of this by part, log function take for u and this function for v. So log x u integration v dx, that is integration x raised to minus 2 dx minus integration derivative of log x integration v dx, that is x raised to minus 2 dx whole dx. Clear? Plus c. So is equal to 2 into here log x into integration of x raised to minus 2 is equal to x raised to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon minus 1 minus integration derivative of this is equal to 1 upon x, integration of this is equal to x raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 dx. Clear? Plus c. So is equal to here 2 into x raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x. So we get minus 1 upon x log x minus here x raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x into x, that is x raised to 2. So 1 upon x square is equal to x raised to minus 2. Here minus minus become plus dx plus c. So is equal to, so 2 1 upon x log x, integration of this is equal to x raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. So is equal to here 2 into minus 1 upon x log x minus 1 upon x plus c. So is equal to here 1 upon x minus take common, so we get minus 2 upon x into bracket log x plus 1 plus c. Clear? Y is equal to log x. This becomes solution of given differential equation. Now question number 8. 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx is equal to cot x dx. Here dividing by dx to both sides, we get 1 plus x square dy dx plus 2xy is equal to cot x. Okay. Now dividing by 1 plus x square to both sides, we get dy dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square into y is equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. So this becomes a linear differential equation. Here p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square and q is equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. Now find integrating factor if. is equal to e raised to integration p dx, that is 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. So is equal to e raised to f dash x upon fx. Here 2x is the derivative of 1 plus x square. So integration of this is equal to log mod 1 plus x square. Clear? So is equal to 1 plus x square. Therefore solution becomes, solution is a y into integrating factor 1 plus x square is equal to integration q is equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square into integrating factor 1 plus x square dx plus a c. So is equal to 1 plus x square cancel, we get integration cot x dx plus a c. So is equal to integration of cot x is equal to log mod sin x plus c. So y into 1 plus x square is equal to log sin x plus c becomes solution. Okay, or 1 plus x square, take this side, we get y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x square raised to minus 1 into log mod sin x, that is a sin x plus a c, into 1 plus x square raised to minus 1. This becomes solution. Clear? Now remaining question we solve in a next lecture. Okay.